On this episode of Path to Performance, presented by Castrol Edge.
Coming live from the Barrett-Jackson Cup 2024.
This show always pulls the best of the best on cars, so the level of quality is high here.
We brought a lifted square body to try to compete with them, so we'll see what the judges, what the crowd thinks.
We're the hillbillies of the group, I guess.
We're hoping for a top 5. That'd be incredible to have that, but who knows? We'll see.
And the winner for this year, the 2024 Barrett-Jackson Cup Ultimate Best in Show is...
This year, we're taking you inside the garages of 4 of the best builders as they bring their cars to life. One of them could take home the Barrett-Jackson Cup. This is the Path to Performance, presented by Castrol Edge.
So we're out in Arizona on our way to the Barrett-Jackson 2024, and we're meeting up at a lake just north of Scottsdale to see all the competition, see what Jesse, see what Roadster Shop, see what the Dutch Boys brought out here.
Winning the Cup is a huge deal. I mean, it's one of the biggest trophies, one of the biggest award shows of the season. It's cool just going up against your peers, your friends, and seeing who can build a better car.
I think we're going to do pretty good at the show. We're hoping for a top 5. That'd be incredible to have that, but who knows? We'll see.
We just arrived at Bartlett's Lake out here just a little bit north of Scottsdale. Took a drive up the mountain, and we're waiting on the rest of the guys to show up. I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe they broke down or didn't make it. What's going on, guys?
What's up, dude?
Yeah.
Pretty sweet, man.
Excited to see this thing in person.
It's wicked, man.
That was our thing. We wanted to show off our sheet metal work on the car, so what better way to do it than show up with the car in bare metal?
Everyone's used to seeing the pretty finished stuff at these shows. That awesome to see what goes on behind the scenes.
You guys are known for some top quality builds, and you're showing up with a 4-wheel drive truck.
Yeah.
What's the thought process behind that?
Yeah, we wanted to, I guess, bring something out that was like obtainable to more people.
I always think when I go to these shows, like, there's the nicest stuff there, and then there's the stuff I want to own, and this is definitely one that I want to own for sure,
Cool,
no
yeah.
doubt.
I appreciate that, man.
Look, here comes Jesse.
There he is.
Howdy, boys.
How we doing?
It's good. How you doing, man?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Jeff?
Pretty sweet, dude.
So what inspired the 27 instead of the Biscayne?
Well, we were just rolling along on the thing, and we decided to check up on it and give it the attention that it needed to get finished and postpone the show. Go ahead and clean this up and go ahead and bring it. Is Paul coming? Have you guys heard anything from him? Is he on his way?
Let's call him, see if the 4-wheel drive needs to go pick him up or what the deal is.
What up?
What's going on, man? You need some rescue help down at the bottom of the mountain, or what's going on? You gonna make it up here?
I don't think we're gonna make it.
What's going on? Where you at?
Well, our Trino ran into a few snags. We machined a custom billet grill and ran into some fitment issues that set us back. And
Oh man, that's a bummer.
Yeah, that is. That sucks.
All right, buddy. Well, we're missing you out here, and we'll have to catch you next time.
Yeah, dude.
right,
Maybe next year.
Sounds good.
Next
We
year,
got
for
something
sure.
coming for you guys. So.
Right on. Yeah. We'll see you down the road at the
All
next
right.
event.
Later, dude.
See you, Paul.
Later, man.
See you guys.
Hey. Yeah, you guys want to wrap it up here?
Yeah.
A lot of cleaning to do after driving around at the dead.
Let's do it, man.
Get onto that show and
Head to the show.
see what happens with it. It'll be a good time.
Sweet.
Go.
Yeah, we'll follow you boys out.
Okay.
We're at the Barrett-Jackson Cup, staging here in line with a bunch of really bitchin' cars, waiting to go in and start checking these things out and I guess see how we stack up against the competition.
I think we're a good contender. And, you know, time will see if we make it into the top 5 or we get lucky enough to actually win this thing, which would be incredible.
This show always pulls best of the best on cars, so the level of quality is high here.
I think what's setting the XL27 apart from all the other cars in here is exactly that. It's a 27 Ford.
I think there's been a pretty good vibe around the cars, always had people around it. There's nothing else here like it. It's different, so it's going to draw people in, but is it enough to compete with the finished cars?
Got the best of the best out here, and we brought a lifted square body to try to compete with them, so we'll see what the judges, what the crowd thinks.
We're the hillbillies of the group, I guess. We call it our Legend Series chassis, so it's all independent front suspension. Gets rid of all the solid axle 4x4 stuff, so a guy can have a 4x4 truck that, like, the idea is to have something that you can daily drive.
So this is our 59 Impala that we're doing, and we wanted to show it off in bare metal to kind of showcase what we can do at our shop.
When it's subtle and you got to tell somebody it's right.
Right.
When it smashes you in the face, to me, it's wrong, and that's why we really like this car.
Looks like Ed's coming up, putting another ribbon on. It's going to the C10 truck. Rod, you get a pick? Congratulations, right on. Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's great.
Means a lot.
Yeah, that's good.
Deal.
I got a couple more days to
just sweat it.
bite my nails. Yeah, let's go. Well, congratulations, man.
Mine's over with.
That's right. Yeah, good job. Congratulations. Hey, Troy, do you see they just give a ribbon out to the truck down there?
No, I didn't see that.
And it only leaves 2 spots.
Oh, boy. Getting down to the wire
It
here.
is. It is. I'm nervous. So
2 spots left, man. Hopefully it's us.
yeah, that'd be pretty cool. Well, good luck, dude.
Yeah, you too.
All right, that's awesome. I'm so happy and so excited to be able to tell John that we were able to make it into the top 5. All the guys back at the shop are going to be ecstatic. Heck yeah, man, this is a really good one. The judges were saying some really good stuff about Troy's car. Just it being in bare metal, I mean, that's a bold move. So it's pretty incredible he got up here with us.
Troy and Bobby were all over it, and they obviously appreciated all the details that we did. So I think that's what paid off.
Yeah, we built an incredible truck, but it's nowhere near the level of detail and craftsmanship and just custom work that's on the cars in the top 5. So yeah, can't be upset about it. 3 of the top 5 cars on Roadster Shop chassis, so it's definitely a win for the company.
Making it up on that stage again this year is just insane. I almost feel like it's a bigger accomplishment doing it in bare metal than with a finished car.
Now for the moment we have all been waiting for, and I know these 5 finalists have been anxiously awaiting. It's time to reveal our ultimate Best of Show winner. And the winner for this year, the 2024 Barrett-Jackson Cup Ultimate Best in Show, is the Buick Invicta.
Losers.
Yeah.
No, we're just happy to be here. It's been an honor just to make the top 5.
Oh, I'm totally fine with it. The top 5 is amazing, and we lost to probably the best car. Well, we did lose to the best car here, but we feel that way too.
Congratulations.
I love the 59.
Yeah, man, this has been the heavy hitter all weekend. Everybody kind of knew this was the car to beat for sure. So it's no surprise at all that you've won this.
Well, thanks for the kind words, man.
Yeah, so next year, the plan is to bring the car back in finished form. So paint, buff, polished, all the chrome work done, all the rest of the interior in the car, and hopefully it can take us to the top again.
I think next we'll kind of get back focused on the 61 that we originally intended for here, and hopefully set our goals to for sure be here next year with that car.
Yeah, I guess we got to go back and lick our wounds, right?
I think we'll probably come back next year. We got to figure out what that vehicle is and step our game up, try again another route, and
yeah,
see if we can bring home the cup next year.
We really didn't have that high of hopes, so to walk away with a top 5 is just, it's fantastic. I couldn't have really asked for anything more.
I think doing this video series, just working with all of our really close friends in the industry is fun, exciting, keeps the camaraderie, and just shows what the industry is all about.